So this is the first video of the lead code. Since we are starting this journey, this is my first video. So let us go through the first problem, that is the two sum. This is the basic and the first problem that you will get in lead code. So what is the question saying? As it is the title is two sum, the question must be related to some addition related query. So here the question is given an array of integer num, and make sure that we will use the language Java for solving. Okay, given an array of integers num, so there is an array which stores integer value, and the name of that array is nums, and an integer target, and there is an integer which is stored in the uh, variable target, and array is stored in the variable nums, and this nums has only integer value. Now we have to return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, what this question is saying that in the array there will be some numbers, and in the target there will be an integer. So the integer must be such that we have to output the numbers from the array whose sum is equal to the target. I'll explain you later with an example. First, let me read the question. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Each input would have the exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in order. Let us see the example, what the example is saying. For example, if you have input, this is num is the string array which stores integer elements. So here is the integer elements, and here is the target, that is the integer. So if the target is 9, you have to print the output such that you have to choose two numbers from this whose sum will be 9. So here only one options we are getting, that is 2 and 7. When you will sum 2 and 7, that the answer will be 9. So that would be the target value. So here that's why it has written output as 0 and 1. What is 0? 0 is the index number. 0 is the index number of 2. Since the array starts from 0 and ends till number of elements in the array minus 1, that means the index of 2 will be 0, 7 will be 1, 11 will be 2, 15 will be 3. So since 2 and 7 sum up to be 9, that's why the index of 2 will be 0 and index of 7 will be 1. So this would be the output. So explanation here, it is given that because num 0, that is num 0, this means here no, this means 2 plus num 1, and this means 7. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So that's why we have returned 0 1 here, this index. Here another example is given, 3 2 4. So what would be the sum, uh, which two numbers will take for the sum equal to 6? So obviously 4 and 2. So 4 and 2, what would be the index number of 2? 1. Index number of 4? 2. 3 will be 0, that, and 3 is not needed also here. Next is example number 3. Here the input is 3 3 and the target is 6. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, so we have taken here 0 and 1 in. Okay, so these are the constraints, only one valid answers exist. Okay, okay, can we come up with the algorithm? Okay, okay, okay. So let us solve this. How can we solve this question? So this is the basic format that we will get in Java. So for first of all we have to uh, we have to count the number of, means the length of an array. So for that we need to write here int will take an integer value which will store the value of the length of the array. So what is the array here? Nums. So it here we have to write nums, and as you all know, what is the code for finding the length of an array, so it will be dot length, length. So dot length semicolon. Hope you understood this point. And here integer value here to some, this will store the in array of integers, and this is the target value that the user will input and then do the operation. So now, as we got the length of the array, now we have to run the loop for finding the numbers in the array whose sum is equal to the target. So as you know, for checking the numbers or seeing the numbers in the array, we have to run the for loop. So let us write for int i. Int I we are taking as a variable that will start from 0, and that will go up to the length of an array, that is I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, hope you got till here. Now let me provide some space in this so that it is clear for you. Okay, so and here one parenthesis. Okay, now we have to run one more loop so that we can compare the values to and fro. So for now we will take another variable that will also be int 0. So we have taken j, and this will run till it will be sorry it will start from I plus 1, and it will I plus 1, and it will go till less than j less than n, and then j plus plus. Okay, now we will compare. Now this will, since this will run loop and see the numbers in it, now we can compare it properly. So for it we have to use if clause, that is if 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 the nums in I plus nums in j is equal to the target, then return return, then return. So what it will return? An array, not an array, but the what will say, yes, array with list of its indices. It means its index position. So I comma j semicolon. But one more thing is there. If it doesn't find any solution, then for in that case what it will do means, if it doesn't find any sum, means if the user has input the target, and in the array there is no such numbers, means two numbers whose sum is equal to that target, so in that case it has to return no solution found. So for that case we need to means output a no solution index. So for that we will before close after closing the for loop, here we will write return for that we will write return new int, same, but here it will be empty. Yes. So here is the solution for this problem. Now let us run this. Accepted. So here 279 0 1 0 means index 0 means 2, index 1 means 7, 7 plus 2 9, yes 2, 3 2 4. So index, so for 6 then index number 1 and index number 2 1 2, or 3 3 3 6 0 1. Okay, so we got it right. Hope you got this problem, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Till then, keep exploring and keep finding your way to success, and never be disappointed in life, as there are many things to do. And uh, and if you fail, a more exciting and more, what is it, more adventurous thing is waiting for you. So thank you for watching this video.